What's the difference between /dev/htc/dev/sr0/dev/cdrom? I created 2 virtual machines with VMware Workstation 7. They have identical hardwares. One guest is CentOS 5.6, another is Mandriver 2011. When I try to mount the cd-rom in guest-OS in CentOS, I should execute. In Mandriver, I should execute. I also remembered in some other Linux variant, I had to use. My questions are: what's the difference between HDC, sr0 or cd-rom? Is there a consistent way to mount cd-rom in all Linux variants?
Is the third-eyed hard drive secondary master? Is the first SCSI cd-rom device in the system? This may be misleading as SCSI and SATA are interchangeable in Linux terminology. There is also SCSI emulation of ATAPI devices in some Unix systems. In FreeBSD it's called ATAPICum, which makes ATAPI cd-rom devices appear to be SCSI. Some older software is written purely to interface with SCSI peripherals and can't work with ATAPI ones, so this emulation layer can be quite useful. And yes, that is a symlink to one of the above, either done manually with laying or through the udev configuration.
/dev/htc is a device on the IDE controller. /dev/sr0 is a device on the SCSI controller. /dev/cd-rom is a symlink to either /dev/sr0 or /dev/htc or whichever block device is appropriate. Most distributions come with a script that automatically sets up /dev/cd-rom to be the correct device. So you're generally safe using /dev/cd-rom. If you don't have /dev/cd-rom, you can always set it up yourself with linux.
The /dev/hdc is the older name for IDE cd-rom, usually configured in hardware as the third IDE device. Old kernels and user space that use the IDE driver will show it as that. Newer kernels and user space tools use Labada and map everything to SCSI-like devices. So /dev/sr0 is now the first SCSI-ROM, 0. /dev/cd-rom is usually a symlink to the first cd-rom device.
Linuxdistributions.